So happy evening, friends. I would like to explain you about famous Dr. Roberts Pulitzick's Wheel of Emotions. So Dr. Roberts recognized 8 emotions as the primary emotions. Remaining all emotions are combination of these emotions only. And it is really a surprising fact that humans can experience 34,000 emotions. All are not important, but psychiatrists and psychologists reveal that human can experience 34,000 of the emotions, but all of them, only 8 are considered as the basic emotions. The combination of them can cause remaining 34,000 of the emotions. So this is the wheel that explains various kinds of emotions, and Dr. Roberts recognized 8 emotions. So 4 couplets. So a pair of contrasting emotions, opposite emotions. So altogether 8 emotions are considered as a primary emotions: anger, anticipation, joy, trust, fear, surprise, sadness, disgust. These 8 are considered as the primary emotion. Remaining all emotions are derived from the only. Like like other things, here also they are in pairs, they are in couplets, they are in opposite emotions. That is, for example, you look at here. So joy is, that is a state of happiness, state of pleasure. We call that emotion as a joy. So, but look at sadness, so unhappiness. So joy and sadness together called as a couplet, a pair which are opposite in action, that is joy and sadness. In a similar way, and disgust and trust. Trust, you have a faith in the concerned person. Disgust, you hate him, you don't like him. So these two are the opposite pairs of emotions. Joy and sadness are one pair of emotions, and then next one, anticipation and surprise. Something happens, you don't expect, you don't anticipate, and you are surprised. But surprise and anticipation, but you can expect the result, you can imagine, you can anticipate. That without expecting, without imagination, a result appears, that you are calling it as surprise. After you imagine, similar type of result come, but you anticipate, you expect, that is called as anticipation. Anticipation and surprise are opposite traits. Joy and sadness, opposite traits. Trust and disgust, opposite traits. Trust, you like him, you have a faith in him. Disgust, you hate him, you don't like him. Then next one is anger and fear. So, and fear, so that is a state of fear and anger, rage and angriness. And these are opposite pairs. Like this, these 8 emotions play an important role in molding our personality, in building our career, in not only that, in also reacting with others, also responding to others, also making our behavior and how to behave with others. These 8 emotions play an important role, and the combination of emotions cause different situations, different states of us. For example, I tell one example, then we'll discuss later. For example, see, when there is a joy and love, and when you will have a trust, and when you have a trust, then joy and love emotions, like that, you can also see that. And so this is anticipation plus anger, aggressiveness. you anticipate, you expect what is going to happen, then when there is an anticipation and anger, these two emotions make you aggressive personality, or you make you aggressive at that particular situation. You anticipate that he may cause something harm to me, that is your anticipation, that causes anger in you. These two combination will make you aggressive and you start bombarding with that person. So the combination anticipation and anger make you aggressive person at that moment. So like this, anticipation, imagination of the result, imagination how he is going to behave, and then anger. Once you anticipate that he may not behave properly with you, and he may not like you, he may dislike you, he may hate me, like that type of thinking process, that type of anticipation, that type of imagination make you so anger, so become angry, and these two combination will make you aggressive personality. So these 8 are the basic emotions, that how to change these emotions accordingly we can behave, and what are the positive emotions, what are the negative emotions, how you can change your emotions and behave in such a way others will love to listen to you, others will like you, and you can develop good human relations, and also you will become a great personality by correcting your emotion, by adjusting your emotion, by balancing your emotions. And though that can be applied through this wheel proposed by great Professor Dr. Robert Plutchik. This is known as wheel of emotion, a famous indication, a famous wheel in positive psychology in molding the behavior of the people. Thank you.